Think and answer. What do you call people who like tractors? Let me repeat it. What do you call people who like tractors? And the answer is protractors. Think and answer. What's a mathematician's favorite ride at the amusement park? Let me repeat it. What's a mathematician's favorite ride at the amusement park? And the answer is the roller coaster, because it goes up and down like a graph. Think and answer. What do you call an empty parrot cage? Let me repeat it. What do you call an empty parrot cage? And the answer is a polygon. Think and answer. Why doesn't anybody talk to circles? Let me repeat it. Why doesn't anybody talk to circles? And the answer is because there's no point. Think and answer. Why did the monkey like the banana? Let me repeat it. Why did the monkey like the banana? And the answer is because it had a peel. Think and answer. What do you call an alligator in a vest? Let me repeat it. What do you call an alligator in a vest? And the answer is an investigator. Think and answer. How do you stop an elephant from charging? Let me repeat it. How do you stop an elephant from charging? And the answer is take away its credit card.